these are all the talents that and skills that are needed in order to build an effective website. Let's start in the middle over here. We need somebody to be able to come in and understand the content and understand your business rules, how you're operating. Very often people think, well, you just hand that to a web designer. And I know maybe you're not of that type, but there's a collection of people out there that believe web designers have all of these other skills, and that is often not true. Web designers are good at drawing and making things look really good. But there's a subspecialty called user experience architect, information architect. UX, UI are two common acronyms for those. And they have a different specialty. Sometimes there's an overlap, very often there is, but very often the people that work on this are really, really good at web usability and designing. But then they're not also good at coming up with database schemas and taxonomies. In fact, I know a couple of the user information architects that we work with on my team that getting there and taking a complex data set, something that a back-end developer or a database admin are probably much more skilled at to be able to do it. So these people all have to work together if you're going to come up with an effective website. And the failure point of many of our clients who have attempted this, either doing it internally or working with other vendors, is the fact that they don't have these skills on staff in order to get it done. I put these in a different color over your editor-in-chief and steering committee as two items that should be done by the client on their own. This should be an internal thing. You can have an editor-in-chief who's really kind of the director of everything that's going on the content of the website as an external resource, but very often it's better if that person's internal. So I won't get into everything else that's on here, but again, this is the beehive of the skills that are needed in order to have an effective website.